Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on sketching a parabola in standard form. Let's sketch another graph. The question, sketch the graph of y is equal to minus x squared minus 6x minus 5. And can you see it's a type 1 because it's in standard form. Now to use the 5-point plan, we start with number 1, the shape. A's value is -1 and therefore it will be a crying graph. 2. X-intercepts, we make y equal to 0. There's your equation. When we make y 0, we end with minus x squared minus 6x minus 5. And now I want to factorize. But remember, you can't factorize when there's a minus in front of x squared. So we will divide right through by minus or by negative, and we end with 0 equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. And now we can factorize. So the factors are x plus 5, x plus 1, and then x is equal to -5 or x is equal to -1. And we write them as coordinates. So the coordinates for your x-intercepts are -5 and 0 and -1 and 0. The third step is to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept make x 0. There's our equation. And then when we make x 0, we end with the y-intercept is equal to -5. And as a coordinate, it's the point 0, -5. Step 4 is to find the turning point. We find the turning point, the x of the turning point, with the formula. X is equal to minus b over 2a. Now let's have a look here. Can you see the b value is -6 and the a value is -1. When we substitute, we end with x is equal to minus. B's value is -6 over 2 times -1. And then you can say on the numerator on top, a minus times a minus is plus 6 over 2 times -1 is -2. And then plus 6 divided by -2 is x is equal to -3. And then to find the corresponding y value of the turning point, we substitute that x value, x is equal to -3, into the equation. In it goes. Use plenty of brackets. So we will end with -3 squared becomes plus 9 times this minus in front. So we end with y is -9. On this one, -6 times -3 is plus 18 minus 5. When we add all of that, we end with y is equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinate of the turning point is -3 and 4. Step 5 of our 5-point plan is to find the axis of symmetry. But remember, the x value of the turning point is the axis of symmetry. X is equal to -3. And now we can sketch the graph. There's your Cartesian plane. On the right hand side there's your x-intercepts. They are -5 and 0 and -1 and 0. Your y-intercept is the point 0, -5. Your turning point is the point -3 and 4. And remember, your graph has to cry, and then there's your graph. Again, you have to add your axis of symmetry, which is the line x is equal to -3. And remember, the axis of symmetry is always a dotted line. And then let's add the domain and the range. For all the parabolas, the domain will be x is an element real. And then for the range, what we do is we start reading from the bottom. So this parabola starts at -infinity and it goes up until +4. And remember, negative infinity is not included, but 4 is included. Let me show you where's your marks. On this one, for the shape, a crying parabola. Your two x-intercepts, the point -5 and 0, which is there, and the point -1 and 0. Your y-intercept, the point 0, -5. Your turning point, the point -3 and 4. Your axis of symmetry indicated with a dotted line. The equation for the axis of symmetry, x is equal to -3, and you have to label your graph. Y is equal to, and whatever the equation is. Remember to subscribe. In the next lesson, I will show you how to sketch a parabola in turning point form. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.